Oh, wait a second. Jeff doesn't know how to cook. Nope. Never heard about it. Got some little pork chop thing. We got some green beans right here, stuffed mushrooms, and we got mashed potatoes in the house. Come along, shall we? Okay. I don't have a phone working here. It's a digital phone, kind of like an IP VoIP kind of thing. I think it's VoIP. I'm just gonna take note of what this says. AL17 to AL18. It's not working. It's not on, so got my toner turned on. Trace this wire, see what happens. There we go. On. Let's go. Okay, so now we're in the phone room, and me being as experienced as I am, if I've never been here before, I'd probably be sitting here going blah, blah, down this one, blah, down this one, blah, blah. Oh, snap, I hear something. Guess what? It goes over here to this rack. There we go, see? Why do I know this? Because I'm the one who hooked up all this shit. So, that's one. So, I get the fun job all the time. Hey, Jeff knows how to do it. Jeff knows how to do it. So, something apparently is unhooked. They're not plugged in all the way. And it's also going through a Cat 5 cable, which definitely this orange one here. Actually, it said AL. And how did I say it was in the, this is AL23, this is not it. It might just be a loose connection. This stuff's going through the lane. I'm going to check it over here on the block real quick. I'm sorry. Showing off my underwear. YouTube doesn't like that. No way. No boy. No one know that. There we go. That's the boy. That's the biggin. We'll get her taken care of. We'll find out what's going on with Mama's little tea party over here. Okay. There we go. That's the magic wand here. It's toning off of everything, no matter if I'm touching it or not. This is not good, because, oh wow, don't tell me it's toning off of that. No, it's not. Alright, so, I'm going to hold the wand behind my back, because it is giving me false readings here. But anything that goes to this is going to be coming out of a Cat 5 cable. And I'm just going to hold the wand behind my back. Turn it to volume 9. That Cat 5 here. No. Here. Do something. When I touch it, I'll know. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No. Dang gummit. Maybe it's down here. It could be down here, guys. Could be right down yonder. I don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, fuck it. I think it might be down here somewhere. I don't know, I'm not getting any tone. Might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. Well, that might be a good thing, or it could be a bad thing. No, it's not. Let's, well, I'm not getting shit. I'm getting... Look at this. What's that? Toning on every damn wire. Probably when we have a alarm right there, I'm just gonna hit alarm acknowledge. That's some kind of T1 thing, battery backup. T1 network, now it's blinking. This is the power supply, I can't take it out yet, but maybe I'll just reset this. Probably shouldn't do this, but here we go. Ooh, network down, son. Network is down. Look at that. Woo. Find out some maintenance. The phones aren't working. The network's not working. Well, when the power goes out, this does the same thing, so it'll be... Oh, see that spark? God almighty. Yeah, way too much crap plugged into that thing. Alright. That killed the bank alarm. That had nothing to do with my probing. Well, maybe. We're gonna wait till all these cards reboot. Sometimes it's good to do a little reboot, guys. Good to do a little reboot. Now let's see what's going on. Had nothing to do with my toning, but I just didn't like the way that thing was alarming, and now I'm getting 19. See? Oh, I'm sorry, y'all can't see. Gets louder when I get here. 19. So. And plus it's labeled 18, 19, 17 and all that. So this is going over to here. It's going up and it's going to here. So we know that this is going to be our corporate here. Alright, so let's see what we get here. Oh yeah, I shorted it. Something's getting shorted. Hear the tone change on that? There's a wire next to me or something that's unplugged, or it's toning all of them. What in the hell is going on? Why is it toning it? Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Set you guys back up. Remember this again. Yeah, but this time I'm going to hold this behind my back again. Unfiltered. It's one of these. It should be toning. It just changed tone again. There's two wires here that are disconnected. Oh, come on, don't do this. Not change tone again. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna short. Not recommended. You see, this stuff has voltage going through it, guys. I don't know if y'all see the sparks coming off of that, but as long as I'm not leaning up against something. Watch. It was changing its tone every time. There's just random wires just laying up against this block. Shot filtered, still the same thing. The whole dang block is toning. Y'all got any ideas? Man, I'm out of ideas. The whole dang block is toning. Here, we'll take out A19 from the rack. I just did that behind you guys. All I did was unplug the damn thing. And that fixed everything. So it is A19. A19, which we will trace over here. Oh, snap, it goes into D13. Oh, where? No, I don't. Where you at? Where are you going at? Alright, this goes to D13. Comes over, loops around, and goes right here. There's two pairs right here. So let's just I mean, that's our phone. I mean, it should here, we'll just cock it off to the side there. I don't want to forget where it's at. It's right here. Want the two pairs here and here. I'll put A, L, A, L. Those will rub off eventually. Rub off eventually, guys. So, yeah. Oh, damn, you got more bad boy. So anyhow, right here. Let's just re-punch these down and see if something went wrong with the punch or something. I don't know what is going on with this thing. We'll check the back of the rack too, just to make sure, but this T1 alarm that I just reset has gone out, so it's not alarming on that anymore. I'm looking for my punch tool here. Give it a second. Here we go. Alright, let's this is the office phone, so alright, here we go. I'll put it over here. And polarity does not matter. Through stamps. And then this one. Stamps. Put it back in there. I don't know what's going on with this thing, but let's plug it back in. We'll go back over to the office, see if it works. I doubt it. I doubt it. Woo! I caught you guys. Hey! So I doubt it. Why is it not even giving me tone? Hold on. That little fragment needs to get out of there. Okay, it's not giving me tone out of the whole block this time, and a really not heavy tone. So let's go over to the office real quick, back where we were. Let's see if she has something. I think this was just a simple punch down, but I made it a little bit more harder than it needed to be. This is called a filter probe, and it can actually like sound and stuff will go through it. So there's sound going through this box right here. This is our on hold message. So
to help better answer the age-old questions of aging.
See? Isn't that cool? Right on. So it can pick up sound waves. That's what it does. That's what the toner does. The toner that I got plugged into the outlet sending that bleep, bleep noise. There's a couch in here. How about that? Hopefully it'll be in my house. I don't know. Somebody threw it away and they don't want it, and it has a fold out bed on it. I'm like, yeah, hell yeah, I'll take it. I usually don't take things from here because of the nasties, but it's a pretty good looking couch actually. And I'll have it cleaned before anything. So alright, let's go back to the office. My battery's getting low. Alright guys, so we're back in the office here, and I'm gonna hook. I took out my toner out of the jack, and I'm gonna hook up the phone. Let's see if it works. Hooked it up. She's got a phone with fax and the Ethernet. Let's see. I gotta be careful what I film. There you go. She has 6 new messages, and her message light is blinking. And she's got a dial tone. And she's got a dial tone. Yes, boy. So I gotta be careful what I film. She's got a lot of privacy stuff, and HIPAA would come down on me like a rhino if I filmed a lot of the shit that's on her desk right now. She's got med charts and all sorts of personal items. So, alright, there we go. So, I guess I just need to re-punching down, or the reset of the system worked. Y'all have a good one. Let's leave a note. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until then, y'all stay safe.